The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the WCW Heavyweight Championship.
Here we go, guys.
Get ready. The WCW World Heavyweight Championship will be on the line here in this one.
And there's no bigger prize in all of WCW, which means you can bet this match will be incredibly intense. Well, this superstar has got to keep Randy Savage grounded. No one takes off faster than the Macho Man.
Randy Savage has been called one of the greatest competitors in the history of WWE, and you'll get no argument here. One of the most important superstars in the history of our industry, the Macho Man, Randy Savage.
The Macho Man, notoriously intense inside the ring, but extremely giving outside of it. A true superstar in every sense of the word. Oh, listen to these people. The Macho Man has the entire WWE Universe in the palm of his hand.
Nobody quite like the Macho Man.
Introducing the challenger from Charlotte, North Carolina, weighing in at 243 pounds, Rick Flair. And his opponent from Sarasota, Florida, weighing in at 239 pounds, the WCW Heavyweight Champion, Macho Man, Randy Savage.
Look at the adjective, championship.
WCW was the biggest competitor to WWE for nearly 2 decades, even eclipsing WWE's popularity for a long time. So winning a WCW branded title is a big deal.
Oh, they called it.
Perched up top, a diving knee drop.
He wants his crowd on their feet. He wants them to make some noise.
Oh, perfect kick. Making way towards the top rope.
Taking flight. Whoa, look out. The airtime, the fearlessness. What a ridiculous look out.
You gotta be kidding me.
No sign of hesitation, and that risk gained big rewards.
Macho Man Randy Savage is obviously well known for his high ring IQ. Corey, how do you think that is going to factor into this match?
I think it's going to be the most important piece of the puzzle here, Cole. Savage's in-ring savvy, his well-honed technique. He's going to need to rely on all that. He can't just rest on his laurels here.
Up they go!
That'll jam your tailbone.
Things are going sour for the Macho Man.
And Savage is looking for a solution.
Has to find a way out of this.
Dropping the knee. From the ring all the way to the floor.
And the challenger might have landed awkwardly there. That landing looked rough.
Drop. Seems like the champ might have a pretty clear strategy in mind here, going after the arm.
Oh, look at this aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy.
Now's not the time to worry about rules. Now you know you're in a fight with a champion that will do whatever it takes to win.
Randy Savage, the cream of the crop.
Yeah, this is Randy's in-ring IQ giving him the advantage.
The challenger taking some minor damage.
Yeah, Savage there took it to another level. Just never had a chance to block any of those.
Counter right when it was needed.
Dropped him with a big shoulder tackle. There we go. Good Lord, taking flight. Unbelievable athleticism. Just going for it all and landing a direct hit.
Tossed back into the ring. And an inverted atomic drop. Punch.
This is quickly turning into a slugfest. Ooh. It looks like we've got ourselves a brawl here.
Giving up now is not an option. They have to finish this. The fight is on, and it's furious.
Nothing pretty here, just good old-fashioned fisticuffs. Bam! This is a war of attrition with neither superstar wanting to be the one who surrenders. Oh!
The willpower, the sheer guts of these two. And now these two just pummeling the hell out of each other.
Oh, jeez, looking absolutely rocked. Nicely done.
Uh-oh. Fist directly to the gut.
Randy is going to look to press on the advantage.
He's still in this, and he's making sure everyone knows that.
Randy Savage connected with a good shot there. Dig it.
Top rope. The elbow from the Macho Man.
The champ might have just ended things right there.
Makes the cover. No, stops the count at two.
I am in shock. What's it going to take to keep this guy down?
And he turned it around.
Here we go. All the way to the outside.
From all the way up. Wasted no time flying out to the floor.
He left himself wide open. Big mistake.
He's headed up high. From the top. And completely missed the mark.
That misstep could have cost them this match entirely.
A hard landing for sure.
Oh, my!
Savage with amazing reflexes.
Slam! What impact!
Gets slammed down. Savage thinking big.
Lift off.
Big splash!
again? He's making the knee drop. Attempting high-risk move after high-risk move at a breakneck pace. Taken down with a body slam. Ascending to the top rope.
Getting back to his feet, trying to fight on, but it might be too late. From the top.
Diving. Shoulders are down. To retain. The challenger's able to kick out.
Still gonna take a massive effort to keep him down.
From the top rope.
Elbow drop.
Chance to retain here. The champ might have put this one to bed.
The cover.
What just... I can't.
Agreed, Saxton. Looks like there's no limit to how much damage this superstar can absorb.
The Macho Man is
From way up high.
diving elbow drop.
That could be enough to continue the
Going
reign.
for the pin. Oh, kick out. Oh, my God.
That's impossible.
I can't believe what we just saw.
We've seen Macho Man's best moves already. You've got to wonder what else Savage needs to do tonight. There's electricity running through this arena right now.
Will it be the spark for one of these competitors? He is getting rid of the turnbuckle pad. Don't say that too loud, Saxton. You might get caught.
Clothesline.
Right in the back of the neck. Grabbing something out of their trunk.
Up the rope he goes.
Oh no, has him lined up for the kill shot.
Up high. Diving crossbody. Throwing all caution to the wind.
What are they doing here? Flat out power into the scoop slam. Finds a counter for Savage.
By the throat into the top rope. Oof. He is looking to do some serious harm.
He'll take things into the ring.
Watching like a predator with wounded prey. He's as good as done here. Gentlemen, it's time to go to school.
Woo! There it is.
Leg lock.
Locked in.
It's in deep, the leg bending awkwardly.
Working to take the base away in the most painful way possible.
He's on his back, trying to squirm his way out of this. Reversing, he does reverse. And that'll break the hold.
Scoop slam, making it look easy.
And these focus attacks are really adding up.
Yeah, the body is like a roadmap of wealth right now.
Nice scoop slam. Closed fist punch to the jaw. That's one way to break up a move. One counter met by another.
Uh-oh. And uses the arm drag to reverse. Randy Savage heads up.
Savage now perched high atop the ropes. Elbow drop. That is how a true champion defends their title.
And into the cover. Not even a 2 count. What unbelievable power.
You gotta be kidding me.
Everyone here is in shock.
And guys, after all that, Randy Savage still hasn't closed the book on this one. We've got to acknowledge.
Just end this now.
Oh, he's playing possum.
There it is. The champ has fallen. We've got some highlights from the last one queued up. Here we go.
here is your winner, and new WCW World Heavyweight Champion, Ric Flair.
I still can't believe it.
There you see our new champion. Safe to say things did not go to plan here tonight.
Yeah, no one ever plans on losing their title.